Kira. Yo, calm that down, bro. Showing off for the tube, Kira. You showing off for the tube, right? Yeah, you like messing with my sneakers, I know. Look at that. Look at that. Come here. Kira got a fresh, clean cage. You see, people be like, oh, whoever said my dog be in the cage, never that. She only cage when it's time for bed. When it's time for bed, or I'm about to leave. Other than that, this dog is never in the cage. Keep your dogs in the cage. I think that mess up their growing, mess up a lot of stuff, bro. You let them be trapped with their thoughts be in their head. You know, you wouldn't like when you wouldn't like if you was caged up and all that as a human. So let your dogs out, man. Let them play. Let them do what they do. Let them be animals. But letting them be animals, you gotta have that bond and that word. So when it's time for them to stop playing or whatever, they know, all right, let's do the serious. The word I'm looking for is pack leader. Let them know you pack leader. Right. I love how she do that. For some reason, all my dogs did that. They always get a pull. What's up, girl? Just not exactly 6 months. This is 5 months going on 6. But still giving you an update, you know. Look at the hops on this girl. Look at the hops. Look at the drive on. Look at the drive. That's how we do it over here. Look at the drive. Don't bite me. See? Look at you. How we do it over here. Go at the door. This is how you get bond to dogs. So when they go outside, you know, outside and inside, 2 different things, but you still want to have that bond with your dog, you know, in the house, anywhere, real talk. You want to be able to let your dog off the leash and the dog follow you. And you start that off at a young age. I got my dog, I got her at, we put the deposit at 12 weeks and got her at 4 months. Technical issues, but nothing too major. Still got the dog. Look how she turning. Real talk. Let me show that. I put my hand in her mouth for her. You ain't gonna do nothing. You a baby. You a baby out here, son. You a baby out here. Calm that down. Hey, calm down. You a baby out there. You a little girl. Now it smells like dog. It's time for you to get a bath. What's up here? Think you still want to hop on me? I don't know. I gotta get you a correct measurement. Correct measurement right now. And I gotta get you an update on her weight. Me, I say about 40 pounds. 30 pounds. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. Put her on the scale. Come on. Go for anything. Come on. Obviously, I'm not gonna let her get the keys. Come on. Come on. Ah! Damn it, kid. Her favorite spot. Go under the bed. What's up? Yeah. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going crazy posting the videos. Nope. Let me get that. See this right here? Easily could put that in her mouth. See, I'm going crazy with the videos. Let me know if y'all getting tired of them. Let me know if y'all like them. Talk. I'm out. Come here. Get a nice little pic. Don't worry, I'm going to the vet for that.